Good evening, Saurabh. Thanks for being part of the IIMB Digital Summit. It was
Pleasure.
pleasure having you here. So how has been your experience with the IIMB Digital Summit?
Amazing. In fact, I'm pleasantly surprised by the scale, by the content, and by the way it has been executed. I think all these speakers, all the content around the data, digital, the way India is moving forward,
Yeah.
opportunities it gallows. I think it has been done fabulously, and all credit goes to EPGP students.
So where do you think, since your talk was centered around e-commerce, I just sort of talking to you more in that context, where do you think is the e-commerce revolution heading towards as far as India is concerned?
As I generally say, this is the era of entrepreneurship, and it does not take too much of money in terms of making your ideas work. In order to make your ideas work, e-commerce is a channel today, and there when you put the platforms right, identify the market right, pretty much it moves. So part one, that with respect to e-commerce, where we are, will it grow? Answer is undoubtedly yes. Now the question is that where are we today? Are we at the cusp of closure, or are we at the start? So pretty much we are at a very nascent stages of seeing the e-commerce explorations. So there's lots that has to be seen in this space. So I will be fully bullish on this, and this is just the start.
So a lot of new ventures are getting into this domain, as you touched on this entrepreneurship. Any particular message that you want to convey to our budding startups? We are sitting right outside of NSRCL, which is incubating a couple of really exciting ventures. So just to pass on a message to them.
Oh yes. So one thing I would want to let them know, that this is the right time to explore the entrepreneurship opportunities. If they are in e-commerce, then the pivot there would be the execution piece. How do you execute your idea will be much more important than what actually is your idea. So in that context, how you combine technology, market, customer experience together, and therefore do the business will be very critical. If you are into a non-e-commerce space, then I would strongly suggest that you will have to go with a piecemeal approach, that rather than going with a full bang complete product and therefore show that this is what I have to offer, go with a small chunks, grow as and when you acquire consumers. But both spaces equally have very big opportunities, and this is the era of entrepreneurs.
Quite an insightful response.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Saurabh, for being with us.
Thank you.
Throughout the day. We appreciate. Thank you.
Thanks, Sumit.